Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Ignore the beeping in the background. My neighbors are putting in a new fence. Of course, this is a STEM video, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. And today we're using some science and some engineering to make our project. So in this video, I decided to get outside. It's another beautiful day, and we're gonna make an outside project that then gets to live inside. So what we're making today is a terrarium. Now a terrarium, it's like a living ecosystem that you can put on your desk. It is a container that is usually filled with rocks and plants and things that are alive, and then you can bring the outdoors indoors, even during winter and things like that. Let's get started. For today's project, you will need a terrarium, which is usually made of glass or plastic, some plants, some landscaping material like rocks and sticks, a layer of substrate, also called a drainage layer, some potting soil, and some clay to hold your rocks in place. Let's get started. So my terrarium has taken up residence on the windowsill here. I'll leave it here and see if it likes it in the sun or if I need to move it to another room. But for now, I think it's very happy, and so is the little frog that lives in there. And I can't wait to see it grow and thrive and become a tiny little ecosystem right inside my house. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time. Bye!